छम 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 छुपन छुपाई, देखो देखो नानी आई, साथ में लाई पपेट खिलौने, हर दिन नई कहानी लाई, छम 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 छम। Hello, hello, hello my lovelies. Welcome to the Puppetarians Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Hooray! You know who am I? I am Nani. Yes, you're Nani. I love stories and I love puppets. I love making puppets. I love playing with puppets. I love telling stories with puppets. So today I am going to make with you a very simple but very cute, my favorite kind of puppet. Are you ready? I know you are. But first of all, right now subscribe to the Puppetarians channel and write done, D-O-N-E, done in the comments. I'm going to read each one of your comments and I'm going to send you my love. Mwah! Like that. So do it now. Till the time I will have this ice cream, you will go and subscribe to the channel. Huh? Meanwhile, I'll finish this. All done. Oh, why not make today's puppet with these ice cream sticks? Huh? Now whenever you'll have ice creams, don't throw the ice cream sticks. Wash them, clean them, and you can make puppets out of them. They turn out very, very cute. Now, I'm not asking you to eat all the ice creams by yourself. When you have ice creams with your family, with your mommy, daddy, brother, sister, you, then don't throw the ice cream sticks after you are done. Wash them and keep the sticks. Also, when you order food, you get plastic spoons and wooden spoons, right? Keep those too. They will come in handy later to make puppets. I know, you are getting excited to make your own ice cream stick puppet. Let's go then. Let's see the materials we are going to need for this puppet. 6-7 ice cream sticks and a wooden spoon if you have. If you don't have a wooden spoon, don't worry. You can just use the ice cream sticks also to make the puppet. Some wool for the hair. This is optional. A white sheet. Some colorful sketch pens or felt pens or colorful markers, whatever you have. And some fabric or poster color. I'm going to use red. Use the one you like. A paintbrush. And a little piece of black chart paper. Scissors. And some glue. 2 tiny googly eyes. If you have them, this is also optional. That's it. That's all the material you're going to need. Now let's start making. First of all, take the wooden spoon. If you don't have the wooden spoon, just take an ice cream stick, the longest one you have. Now take 2 other ice cream sticks and put them in a triangular position on the main ice cream stick or the spoon, like this. And then put a 4th ice cream stick down below, like this. This is going to be our puppet's dress. Yes. Now take some glue and stick the bottom ice cream stick like this. Now let it dry. There, it's all dried now. Moving ahead, take the white sheet of paper, put this triangle ice cream sticks on top of it. And then trace around with any pen, pencil, marker, whatever you have. Now cut it out. There we have it. Now keep this on the side. Let's color the ice cream triangle. I'm going to color it red because I want my puppet's dress to be bright red. You color it the way you like. If you like green or violet or blue or any color. Color all the 3 sticks but just the front side. And then let it dry. Now let's glue this ice cream stick triangle on the paper that we cut. Put some glue at the back of the triangle and then just paste it on the paper. Let it dry too. Once it's dried, now it's time to give it some pattern. This is our puppet's dress. So I'm going to make small tiny flowers on the white sheet. You can draw flowers, stars, butterflies, circles or any other design you like. It's your puppet's frock. You do what you like. All done. Now let's get back the wooden spoon. We are going to paste this triangle like this on the spoon. Let's paste it, Put some glue like this on the spoon and then stick the triangle there. Let it dry. La la la. It's dried. Now let's take 2 small ice cream sticks. If you don't have small ice cream sticks, you can just break 1 long ice cream stick and make 2 hands for the puppet. Now let's stick these hands. Turn the puppet around. Put some glue at the back like this. And paste 1 ice cream stick like that. Now paste the other ice cream stick like this. 2 hands. At every stage, let it dry. Now take 1 more ice cream stick. I had this kind of an ice cream stick, so I just broke it in 2 parts. But pay attention, these ends are sharp. So, there's a trick for how you can make it safe for yourself. Put some masking tape. You know the paper-like tape you get? And then stick it on both the sides. Now the edges are smooth. We are going to stick the legs like this. So now once again, turn the puppet around, put some glue and stick the legs like this. And then what do? We let it dry. There! Now the body of our ice cream stick puppet is ready. Let's start giving it features now, Let's start from the top, the head. What comes on the head? Hair. Let's start with the hair. So there are 2 options that you can use for hair. Either you can make it from a black chart paper or you can make it with some colorful wool. Use whatever you have at home. Now it's important that I tell you, if you don't have the wooden spoon, if you have just the ice cream stick for the head, then how are you going to make the round face? You can just draw a circle on a hard white paper and then cut it out and paste it on the ice cream stick. That can be your face. And then you can do exactly what we are doing right now with the spoon as the face. So I'm going to show you both ways, how to use black paper for the head and how to use wool as well. Let's start with the paper first. So keep the puppet's face on the black chart paper like this. Draw a semicircle just to get an idea of how big the puppet head is. You can also mark how long you want the hair to be. See, I have marked 2 little dots for the puppet's hair length. Now draw the hair like this. We are going to make 2 cute ponytails. Draw exactly like this. And then cut it out. There you have it. This is how we are going to place the hairstyle on the puppet's face. I'm just keeping it there to show you how this kind of hair will look on the puppet. You can also tie 2 little strands of wool at the end of the ponytail Isn't it looking cute? Okay, now let's go ahead and see how to make hair with the wool. It's very easy. First of all, decide how long you want the wool hair to be. So this is the standard length I want all my wool strands to be. Now cut many strands of wool like this. I am using both colors, blue and red. You can use whatever color you like. Keep the wool strands together. I am going to use a lot of wool so that the hair is nice and fluffy. Once you have a nice thickness for the hair, tie this bunch at the center with the help of another strand of wool. Tie it really tightly and nicely. Cut the strands that are long and make them come to the size of your puppet hair. You can paste this wool hair on the top of the puppet's head like this. See? Isn't it looking cute? Now you decide what kind of hair do you want. How do I decide? Oh, I got an idea. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, I love all the puppets, so I would never let them go. Eeny, meeny, miny, moe. Okay, I'm going to use the wool then. So put some glue on the top of the head and stick the hair. Put a lot of glue and then let it dry a little bit. Then place the hair and then let it dry again. The next is the eyes. So for eyes, we have a lot of options. We can use googly eyes or you can make eyes at home, cutting a small tiny white circle out of a white paper and then drawing the eyeballs with a sketch pen or a marker. You can use either of those, or you can simply put 2 dots with black sketch pen, black marker, and then 2 eyebrows as well to make the puppet's eyes. Do what you like. I am going to stick googly eyes. Put some glue at the back of the eye and paste it right below the hair. Like this. See? Our puppet got eyes. You can also give it a tiny nose. Just draw a circle below the eyes at the center with a black marker. There, tiny nose. You know what? I'm going to call this puppet Lolly the Dolly because it's made out of lolly sticks, huh? Now, time to give our Lolly the Dolly a cute smile. With the red sketch pen, give it a nice smiley mouth. Oh, our Lolly the Dolly is smiling and looking at us. You can also make some cute little freckles with a light orange sketch pen on both the cheeks, little dots. Or give it whatever else you like, whatever features you like. It's your Lolly the Dolly, make it the way you like. Oh, I'm having so much fun making Lolly the Dolly. So I'm going to give it a few bangles on this hand and a cute little bracelet on this arm. And now the last finishing touch. Let's give it some shoes. So just color the end tips of the feet with some black marker, or you can also color it with some black poster color, whatever you like, so that our Lolly the Dolly has some shoes as well. Our Lolly the Dolly may go on some adventures. She needs to have some shoes, huh? There she is, all ready. Yay! Let us play with our Lolly the Dolly. Chum 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 chum, chupan chupai, dekho dekho Dolly आई. Oh, I love you, Dolly. I love you, Nani. Wow! So how did you like Lolly the Dolly? Huh? Now you go and make your own Lolly the Dolly with ice cream sticks and wooden spoons. And send us your pictures and videos with Lolly and you on the puppetarians@gmail.com. Your puppet works will also be showcased in the finale video of the summer camp. Wow! You can also send these pictures and videos on the Facebook group specially created for the Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Now, once you have made your Lolly the Dolly, how are you going to perform with it? You can make 1 or 2 such puppets and put them on the table right in front of you and make them walk and talk and dance and everything. But you can also hide behind a table or a chair or a sofa and can just put Lolly the Dolly up and make her do things or tell stories. Like this. Make Dolly enter and make her look. Make her walk. Make her sing. Ah ha ha, ah ha ha ha, ah ha ha, ah ha ha, ah ha 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 ha. Make her dance. Yeah, 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 yeah. Make her laugh. Make her cry. Make her bow. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You can make your Lolly the Dolly sleep. Good night, Lolly the Dolly. You can make her have a bath. You can make her eat. This is so much fun. Now, as you know, this summer camp is absolutely free for everybody, for kids, parents, teachers. But if you like, you can always donate a little towards COVID relief work here happening in India. All the links for donations are in the description below. You can go there and donate whatever you can. And then you can send us a screenshot of your donation and we will give you a shout out and all our love in the next live chat. This way you can make your whole puppet family, mummy, daddy, your sister, your brother, yourself. And last week you made a doggy too, so you can build a whole puppet family like this. Now, what do you think? Next Friday, what kind of puppet are we going to make? Any guesses? Write your guesses and all your questions for today's session in the comments below. We are going to answer them all with love. Now, that's all for today. Nani is going to go. But before that, I will request you to share this video with your friends and family. Let's invite everybody for Puppet Summer Camp 2021. Let's all make and play puppets together. Let's spread some happiness, creativity and joy. See you all again next Friday. Till then, stay in, stay safe, wear mask, wash your hands. Nani loves you. Mwah. Lolly the Dolly loves you too. Bye-bye from Nani and Lolly the Dolly. Let's go play.
This video is created by the Puppetarians. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon too, so that you never miss another video from us. Let's play puppets.